Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to stretch dough. It's very simple. This is not complicated. This is my dough, as you see. This is a dough from obviously our restaurant. If you purchase a dough, as you see, you do never ever want to fold it. You don't want to mess with it whatsoever. And the reason is because this dough has been overdeveloped with the gluten. Our dough sits in our fridge, obviously a couple of days. This is what we do. We just kind of do like this. You see that? That's the dough. So here's what's going on. I have a screen in here. We want to stretch it to 10 inch. So this is how big I want to go from here to here. So this is what we're going to do. Every movement we do in here, first, we want to make sure it's kept a circle because it's going to be really hard to go from here to there. And then every movement we do is going to make this a little bit bigger. Here we go. So first thing, I'm going to press it down. Just how easy is this? That's it. What we do is this classic technique using this. You're not doing this. And is it a piano thing? This is more like this. It's actually very classic, way of, handling dough. It's just like this. You see the angle of my finger? Just doing this, look, even if I do this, look how, I didn't do anything. I'm already, at about like 8 inches of the diameter. How easy is that? So look, just that alone. Now, I'm gonna show you another thing that's very simple. If I just do this, look how easy it is. This dough to go to a 10 inch. What you want to do always is opposing forces. Otherwise, what is it? You're going to have an oval shape or different kinds of things. So you see how easy it is. And then obviously there are different techniques with the slapping. But I wanted to show you again, you go opposing forces out. And usually we go in a circle shape out. Look, you're just doing this. Look, I didn't even do any fancy technique. I've not even picked it up yet. Look where I'm at, already at a 10 inch. Do you see that? Always when we want to pick dough up, we go under. You never want to have fingers pointing up because you're going to tear that dough. You've got to be very nice and gentle with it. So it's already is that big. You see, gentle. And if it's a little bit bigger, if your dough is a little bit bigger, we have 2 techniques we do here at our restaurant. One is, look at this. It's like a sheet on your bed. I just do kind of a little bit of impact. It shrinks it. It's already at a 10 inch. Or if it's a little bigger, I'm going to show you this other technique. If it's a little bit bigger than where I need it to be, I'm going to do this technique, which is this. Just bring it in. Look. That's it. Bring it in like that. Like this movement with the dough. And it's already a perfect 10. I didn't do any fancy technique on this 10 inch. On the table, we got it done. Easy peasy.